How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set the best TPU settings for Ender 3. Basically, in my case, I'm going to be setting it on my Creality Ender version 4. Let's go ahead and click on confirm. And now the first thing that you want to edit is the nozzle temperature. Now, to do this, let's head over to the filament setting. So you want to click on this gear icon at the top corner of your screen. Once inside this page, you then have to select the TPU option, making sure that it is selected on this page. And now we can edit out a few settings. And basically, after selecting the TPU setting, which is going to be on the filament category right here, you want to click on the edit preset button. Now we have the HP TPU Creality Ender 3. And then inside this page, of course, you could edit out all sorts of settings. But the first thing that you want to look at is the nozzle temperature. Now you could set it to auto temperature. I suggest setting this to 220 degrees Celsius or 230. In my case, I'm going to be using the default one, which is 220, but you could start with 225. Now for the bad temperature, which is going to be this one, I suggest using 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. For the print speed, you want to set your print speed to 20 or 30 millimeters per second. Slow is key for TPU. For our cooling option right here, you want to set this to 30 or 50% after the first layer. And the first layer speed should be 15 to 20 millimeters per second. And we also have our layer height. You should just set this at 0.2 millimeters. For flow, you could set this to 105 to 110% if under extruding. Now, as an additional important tweaks, you want to reduce or disable retraction if stringing jams happen. For combining, you want to turn it off or not in skin. For Z-hop, you want to turn this off. This often helps a lot. And you want to use minimal pressure on the extruder tension. TPU can buckle if not. And so that is the best settings for your TPU for Ender 3. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.